A trip to the grocery store can make or break your dietary goals. What you choose matters immensely. The nutrition label is your secret weapon in making healthier food choices. Are you using it effectively? Recent updates to nutrition labels make it easier to understand what you're consuming. Let's dive into the details. Serving size is prominently displayed, influencing your calorie intake and dietary choices significantly. The FDA has adjusted serving sizes to reflect realistic consumption. Are you aware of how much you're actually eating? Bold servings highlight portions easier than ever before, making it crucial for mindful eating. Don't overlook this. Calories are now larger and bolder on labels, helping you quickly gauge your energy intake. Why is this essential? Understanding the percent daily value helps you assess a food's nutrient density quickly. Are you applying the 5-20 rule? Comparing sodium levels is vital when selecting products. Less sodium means healthier choices. Are you paying attention? Meet dietary needs by choosing products with better total fat content, focusing on healthier fats. Be proactive. Fiber is a key player in heart health and satiety. Compare products to maximize your intake. What's your goal? The updated label requires disclosure of added sugars, highlighting hidden sweeteners in your favorite foods. Are you surprised? Protein is essential, and seeking higher protein products can elevate your muscle building efforts. Are you consuming enough? Vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium have been spotlighted on labels for better health monitoring. Are you tracking these? By understanding nutrition labels, you empower yourself to make healthier food choices. Transform your grocery shopping today.